Hence, I found it imperative, if not paramount, to deviate or subservient, deviate from what I deemed initially to be my subservient objective. To let
geometry, like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point
in what is sound. If an A chord is 440 hertz and you double 440 hertz is basically cycles per second, so number of waves.
There's some guy, some surrealistic painting, or a guy with a unicorn hat with some music video. So
the linguistics of sound, or the physics of sound.
Yeah, so I'm on the Jimmy Falcon show, yo.
It's fucking to see, man.
I came up with this idea of linguistic organic search engine theory.
Converge, or where disciplines overlap.
In semantics, ambiguity, in
psychological analysis, physics analysis, music.